We're watching JTDA, guy. Today we're having another busy day. It's cutting some wheat out here in Nez Perce, Idaho. There we go. We got it that time. As you can see, we're starting out here. The smoke has cleared up a bit, so you can actually see a bit more of the landscape. You can kind of see, I don't know if you guys can make out the mountains over there at all or not. You may not be able to, but you can a little bit. But gosh, you'll see a lot farther than you were the other day. This is just absolutely beautiful. Also, that combine right there, that's actually passing right there. Learned the other day that was the first production hillside unit put on that combine. So besides like the test units, that's like the first one they actually made for production for an X9 combine. And actually, the guy right here driving this semi was talking to me about that, and he also showed me this photo he got of them putting that sucker on there, the beginning of the process of putting that sucker on there where they had to take some of the other stuff off. But no, that's kind of neat. We're working with the first production hillside unit on an X9 combine. That's kind of cool. And yeah. Guys, it is like 24 hours later when I first recorded it, 22 or 23 or 21. Not quite 24 hours, but just about. I forgot to record, or I didn't forget to record. Forgot my charger, and one of our vehicles back at home, well, like the place we're staying at while we're out here. And I had a slow charger all day, and unfortunately filming drains my battery a lot, so yeah. But we're out here harvesting some canola now. I'm the truck guy. Got this truck, that truck. This canola's not yielding super well, so we just need one guy running trucks, 2 combines going, and 1 grain cart. So yeah. Guys, been a minute. Got the truck loaded. Element was talking to one of the other truck driver guys. Turns out I'm not the only truck driver today. There are other guys here, and they're not hauling to Lewiston, so which is awesome. So out here, dumping. I'm taking a load off my feet. I got a seat out here, dude. This is freaking great. Quite the service. But yeah, no, dump some canola. Coming in and gonna get some more canola, and yeah, have the FFA flag still up, because why not? Why wouldn't we have it up? It kind of looks awesome on this truck. Opening up a new field. They're putting the last of this field on my truck, and I think it'll be enough to take it back. Yeah. I'll tell you what, and I know I keep saying this in these videos, but man, this is beautiful. You can see those mountains over there, dude. Holy cow. The camera doesn't do this justice at all. Like, and I know I keep saying that, but truly, the camera does not do this justice. And unfortunately, there's too much smoke. You can see mountains over that way and that way too, but unfortunately, there's too smoke. You can't see them today, but. Heading back to the field now to get another load of canola, and I don't know where that's going to post for tonight, but I think we're going to try to finish that field tonight because we're going to try to cut some barley tomorrow. But you can't beat these views in a cold Dr. Pepper. Oh man, that's good. That's really good. Big shout out to these guys at Clearwater Farms. They just have like an ice chest sitting in one of the trucks every day, and if you need something to drink, you're able to go up and grab something. You know, water, pop, just stuff to keep you going through the day. These guys are super awesome. The firm I work for is super awesome, but these guys are super awesome too. Like it's great. Got another load. I think that's where I'm going to cut the video off, guys. It's getting dark. You're not going to be really able to see anything. God bless you. Remember, Jesus is the way to heaven, and we'll see you in the next one. And barley harvest has begun. Hi again, guys. I know I said I was going to cut the video last night, but I don't have enough